Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best self-balancing scooters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Aliexpress Hoverboard, a versatile self-balancing scooter packed with modern features that make it a solid choice for both kids and adults. This hoverboard stands out with its 6.5-inch wheels that are equipped with high-intensity LED headlights, ensuring safety during nighttime rides. The built-in Bluetooth speaker lets you enjoy your favorite music or audiobooks on the go, making it a fun and engaging experience. A hoverboard is UL certified for safety, so you can ride confidently without worrying about overheating or fire hazards. The design is sleek, with a stylish white finish that adds a premium feel. It's lightweight yet durable, and its intuitive control system allows beginners to learn quickly and get the hang of riding. Whether you're looking for smooth, straight rides or 360-degree spins, this hoverboard delivers. However, its 3-month warranty is relatively short compared to competitors, and it doesn't offer advanced features like water resistance or extended battery life. Overall, the Aliexpress Hoverboard is a good entry-level option for casual riders who want a safe, colorful, and music-friendly experience. It's ideal for younger riders or anyone new to self-balancing scooters who doesn't need advanced features. Coming in at number 4 is the Voyager scooter for kids ages 3 to 5, a fun and practical option for younger riders. What sets this scooter apart is its 3-wheel design and extra-wide deck, providing enhanced stability and confidence for children aged 3 to 7. The light-up wheels add a playful touch while ensuring visibility during playtime outdoors. Its lean-to-steer technology offers an intuitive riding experience, replacing traditional handlebars with a more dynamic way of turning that helps kids develop motor skills and coordination. The build quality is impressive, featuring durable materials like a stainless steel reinforced base and TPR non-slip handlebars. The scooter is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for young riders who are still learning. However, the scooter is best suited for flat surfaces, as its small wheels can struggle on uneven terrain. At just $33.24, it's an affordable option for parents looking to introduce their kids to self-balancing scooters without breaking the bank. This Voyager scooter is an excellent choice for developing motor skills and confidence in children, while the light-up wheels and vibrant design make it a hit with little ones. If you're shopping for a reliable, budget-friendly scooter for younger kids, this model is worth considering. At rank number 3, we have the Hover1 Ultra Electric Hoverboard, a performance-oriented, self-balancing scooter designed for riders of all skill levels. With a powerful 400-watt motor and a top speed of 9 miles per hour, this hoverboard is perfect for thrill seekers who want speed and agility. The 9-mile range per charge ensures you can enjoy longer rides without the need to constantly recharge, and the IPX4 water resistance adds durability for outdoor adventures. The Hover1 Ultra features advanced inertia dynamic stabilization, which keeps the rider balanced and provides a smooth experience. The Smart Alert system warns you if you're speeding or riding on unsafe surfaces, making it one of the safest options on the market. However, the 5-hour charging time may feel lengthy for some users, and its heavier build makes it less portable compared to other models. This hoverboard is ideal for riders looking for a blend of speed, safety, and reliable performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Hover1 Ultra delivers a thrilling experience backed by solid safety features and a long-lasting battery. At number 2, the Razer Hovertrax 2.0 hoverboard stands out as a premium option for older kids and teens. Razer's EverBalance technology sets this model apart, providing self-leveling functionality that ensures a smooth and stable ride. The powerful 36V lithium-ion battery delivers up to 40 minutes of continuous riding, making it perfect for short commutes or recreational use. The Hovertrax 2.0 meets UL safety standards, so you can enjoy peace of mind while riding. The design is sleek and modern, with LED lights adding a touch of style and improving visibility. It's heavier than some competitors, but that added weight contributes to its durability and stability. However, the limited runtime and relatively high price point may deter some buyers looking for extended usage or budget-friendly options. Nonetheless, the Hovertrax 2.0 is highly recommended for riders seeking a safe, fun, and reliable hoverboard experience. This Razor hoverboard is a great choice for thrill seekers who value cutting-edge technology and smooth performance. It's best suited for recreational riders who prioritize safety and stability over extended battery life. And finally, at number 1, we have the InMotion E20 electric unicycle, a truly innovative self-balancing scooter that redefines what personal transportation can be. Unlike traditional hoverboards, the E20 features a single wheel with dual tires, offering lateral self-balancing that makes it incredibly beginner-friendly. Its dynamic stabilization algorithm ensures front and rear balance, reducing the risk of tipping over and making it one of the safest options on the market. With a larger tire diameter and inflatable inner tubes, the E20 provides unparalleled shock absorption and stability, easily conquering obstacles and uneven surfaces. The design is compact and portable, making it ideal for commuting or family outings. Its unique 2-in-1 wheel setup is perfect for kids learning to ride, while its durable build ensures it can withstand everyday wear and tear. The only downside is its price, which may be higher than other options, but the advanced technology and superior performance justify the investment. The InMotion E20 is the top choice for riders seeking a cutting-edge, versatile, and reliable self-balancing unicycle. Whether you're using it for commuting or entertainment, this model offers the perfect balance of innovation, safety, and user-friendliness. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.